Hi guys, nandito tayo sa Divisoria dahil mamimili tayo ng mga gamit sa kusina ng luto ni Neng. At ang goal natin for today's video, una ay hindi manakaw tong camera natin. Pangalawa ay makabili ng mga kailangan ni Kami Neng. So, let's go! We're here. Ow. Ow. Kami. Oh, anong masasabi? Kaway naman siya.
Sunlight in my coffee cup, hope is rising, filling up. Every dream feels close somehow. This is my beginning now. Breathe it in, the air feels right. Heart awake, the world feels light. Small steps lead to big blue skies. Good morning to my life.
Iba-vlog ko nga. Yung... Cheers. Nagutom na mga person. Kaya kumain muna kami. Tapos mamaya, mamimili na tayo.
Dikit mo po ang pag-uusapan, Ma'am Sir. Walang binatang.
Dito na tayo sa Divisoria. Yan na lang, be.
Ito, inoki.
Hindi sa ulan dumudumi yung sapatos ko eh. Ito kami sa loob ng Divisoria Mall. Napakainit sa labas. Tapos si Daddy mag-jujebs.
Napakain.
Napakainit. Yun, so nandito kami. Tapos mamaya, gahanap ulit kami. So yun lang, update. Goodbye. Uulan na.
It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? But if it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. So I'll be waiting in Manila kahit di ka nababalik.
180.
Last stop natin bago tayo umuwi. Bilihan ng plastic, ang lagay sa lamesa. Ito daw makapal. Ano may mas makapal pa daw dito. Ito. Mas makapal sa plastic.
Feels new, like the sky's cheering too. No rush, no race, no fear today. I let the simple moments stay.
Tapos na kami mamili, pabalik na kami doon sa pinagbila namin kasi i-pick upin naman yung mga box. Say hi, ang dilim, hindi ka na pala kita. Yun lang, see you later.
Sunlight in my coffee cup, hope is rising, filling up. Every dream feels close somehow. This is my beginning now. Breathe it in, the air feels right. Heart awake, the world feels light. Small steps lead to big
Hi vlog!
Good morning.
Ganto may
Blue skies. Good morning to my life.
Cause I know I'm nothing on my own. It's when I'm weak, you make me strong. When I'm alive, you shine your light on me. How refreshing to know you don't need me. How amazing to find that you want me. So I'll stand on your truth and I'll fight with your strength until you bring the victory. By the power of Christ in me.